Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So I'm going to show you how to make or assemble this favors box here. And what we have here are all different cutout pieces of the template. So this one's not super complicated, and I'm going to use, I just cut this out of medium weight cardstock. You could probably use any type of cardstock for this particular project, anywhere from probably not super heavy, like 100 pounds and above, but even copy paper works for this. So I have all the cutout pieces, and then I have a couple different glues that I'm going to use, but I'm going to start by just hand scoring this base piece for the template. And the reason I like to hand score is because I find the Cricut scoring to be, it doesn't always align perfectly. So I'm just gonna make a couple of creases here. You don't have to have any dedicated scoring tool. You can just use any sort of straight edge, like a credit card. That works as well. So I'm all about making random things into tools when I need them. So actually, we're just gonna cut out this little edge piece here because I want to hand score this. I actually was using just my scraper for the longest time, and then I finally caved in and bought this Cricut branded fancy scoring tool. And I think it works pretty well. I definitely recommend it. I mean, it's not super expensive. Okay. So okay, here we go. Here we go, and yeah, we're just gonna glue that first part. Let's see. Just got myself this new handy cordless hot glue gun, which I know is old news to a lot of people, but I was holding out with my super cheap, I think it was like less than $10 generic blue one from, oh, okay, that didn't work out so well. Let's be a little more generous with the glue. My super cheap one from Amazon, the blue one. Okay, perfect. And then let's sort of have to help it out a little bit. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna fix that in a little bit, but so you just, I like to hand score and then fold it up so that, you know, it's roughly the shape that's going to be. And then actually let's detach this base piece here. So I'm just gonna start with this, crease. crease the other end. Actually, I'm not gonna glue this in place just yet, but you basically do, you know, fold it along and then glue the other side. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're gonna start with the flower portion of this. And we have 2 strips here. One is sort of the core piece, centermost piece, and then this is sort of the petals. So I'm gonna make the centerpiece first, and that is super easy. You just fold the smaller of the 2 pieces in half. And this doesn't have to be super precise. I just roughly get it in place, and then I start rolling it, attach a little bit of glue. Sometimes I don't even glue the insides at all. If you want it to be super secure, you can add a little bit of glue as you go. There we go. There we go. All right, okay, that was easy enough. We'll put this right there. And then this outside piece, we don't want this to be creased. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna like gently fold it over. Gently fold it over and then sort of glue a little bit as we go. So be careful with this part. I tend to burn my fingers here. So alternatively, you can use something other than a hot glue gun, and then it'll be a little bit easier to work with. Sometimes I like art glitter glue. It dries reasonably fast, and you don't risk burning your fingers, of course. Okay, here we go. Just hold that in place for a second, let it cool off, dry. Oh, okay, that didn't quite. That's okay. Happens to the best of us. All right, okay, that's all set. We'll put this off to the side. Okay, so we're gonna just, so you want to attach the centermost smaller piece to one end. Apply a little bit of glue. Align it. Then we're going to start rolling. Just going to start rolling this. Apply a little bit more glue. The other problem with hot glue gun with this project is it gets kind of stiff, which is not ideal, but I'm using it because I don't want to make you watch me watch glue dry. So, but if I had more time, and if you have more time, then use maybe a different polymer glue that's not as stiff. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right. So then we just want to fold this back a little bit so that you can see the centerpiece. You want to fold it back, but not like, not so much that the outermost edge is creased. So there we go. How did it get out? Okay, anyways. Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm not gluing this on just yet because I want to fix the alignment of the edges slightly. But in any case, you just glue the ribbon base piece on, and then you glue the finishing, the flower on top. And that's it. Pretty easy.